During approximately April 2014, the first defendant made public statements relating to the plaintiff to the effect that he gave instructions to the woman who accused President Jacob Zuma of raping her in 2005, and that he sent her and that he was behind the rape charges against President Jacob Zuma. The statements were false, offensive, and unacceptable. The first and second defendants hereby retract the statements and irrevocably and unconditionally apologize to the plaintiff.
The Ronnie Kasrils and Maphatsoe case has mimicked a lot of the factionalism that has been taking place within the ANC since the beginning of this millennium. Factionalism that one would say has cost the ANC a grip of South Africa. The case has come to a dramatic, abrupt end, but Maphatsoe's defense won't say why they folded. The settlement comes on the second day of the trial, just moments after Kasrils testified. However, Maphatsoe's defense remains mum about what led to the decision to settle when they were previously set on fighting Kasrils tooth and nail.
Sure, whether you are going to get clarity. What I'm saying is that as lawyers, as we prosecute our cases, we continuously talk about these things. And we reach a stage where we felt that it was convenient for both parties, to reach a settlement out of court. You understand? If there's a factor, a specific factor, I'm afraid you're not going to get it from me.
An evidently emotional Kasrils says he was impressed with the apology, symbolically shaking Maphatsoe's hand, even advising him to change his leadership style.
I'm also impressed at the extent to which MKMVA has widened the apology, which really includes Kwezi and all the women of South Africa who've been subject to abuse and rape and so on. I think that's very positive. I am very pleased that we've come to the end of this saga. I want to say to Mr. Maphatsoe that I do indeed accept the apology and thank you. And I think the media would like to hear you express your apology. Verbally.
The lawyer has already done that on my behalf in the association.
Okay.
In a noble gesture, Kasrils says he will be donating the money from the settlement to Kwezi and her mother. And to the ANC, he says although he is no longer a member of the party, he is hoping the recent election results will humble them and that they will be able to pick themselves up again. Victor Magweza for ANN7 in Pretoria.